Hi, my name is Andrew, and today we're gonna be planting garlic. Okay, so we have three. We have lemon, which we got at a store of friends. We don't know if it's gonna do good because they're pretty small, but we're gonna see what happens. Okay, so second we got hardy German. It got a little bit of purple, but that's fun. Then we got Andrew's own. Don't worry, that's not actually what it's called. We just called it because I made it. But the hardy German and mine, they kinda look the same. Because you can see a little bit of purple. So they might be the same, who knows. Well, let's get started. Okay, time to start busting up these bad boys. One at a time. Okay, well, let's talk about the size difference. So you can tell this one's a lot bigger than this one. And if you remember from my last garlic video, the big old cloves give you big old bulbs. Sorry. The smaller cloves give you smaller bulbs. But we want bigger ones. Like this. These guys should give us big bulbs. Oh, and here's something that you definitely want. You want like this papery skin on to protect it, to protect the clove itself when you plant it. Hardy German. Let's get bustin'. Have them separated because that's two. You don't want them together. You want to separate them. Guys, okay, this is literally one clove. And to prove it, I turn it around and you don't see a split. That's how you know that's one clove. That's awesome. Oh, and another thing. So this is mine, and this is Hardy German. As you can tell, yeah, mine is just Hardy German. I mean, it has to be, right? What do you think? I think these two are just Hardy German. Time for the lemon. Well, I guess we'll just have a lot of Hardy German. Okay, guys, so we're here. Time to start planting. So first we're going to be doing our Hardy German. So let me show you how to do it. Okay, so a couple of weeks ago, we put some compost in and some 10-10-10 fertilizer to feed the bed until spring. And first we're going to be starting with our Hardy German. Take your shovel, take the pointy side to the wall, and then find the hole, and that's where you can plant. Make sure the pointy side is facing up, because you don't want the roots going up. Pointy side facing up. Bink, cover. Just like last week when we were putting the bulbs or crocuses in the ground of the pot, make sure the pointy side is always facing up. Okay. Okay, so from right there, we should know the plant about 4 inches away. So then right there should be 4 inches. 4 inches deep. There. Pointy side up. Cover. Okay, so here's the biggest clove ever. Look at it. That's one thing. We're gonna be getting a bulb this big. So just do that. Pointy side facing up. Cover. Okay. One more would be our last one. Yep. Then we can move on to another row. Point side facing up. Yeah. That's one clove. Okay. Now we cover in straw. Okay, so we're doing this to insulate it. We're putting it to bed for the winter. But don't worry, I won't be sleeping all winter long. Only these guys will. Well, we'll see all of these guys in the spring. And comment down below, who do you think will go first? The Hardy German, my own, Andrew's own, or the Lehman? Comment down below. Well, I think I'm gonna grow first. Okay, so we got the garlic all planted, which is over there. And yeah, so I'm still doing the Q&A video. Anything you want. Someday we're gonna be doing a fall cleanup. Yeah, so that's gonna be fun, and some other things. And just because the garden's going to sleep doesn't mean we're going to sleep. Yeah, so we're just gonna keep rolling. We're gonna do some videos inside the house. Maybe another chia pet video. What could we go on with chia pet? Well, I want to grow broccoli on the chia pet. I want to see how that will turn out. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye!